Hoodie Guy coming back here with another one. We're going to be talking about the fee market. A lot of green, nice to see, makes you feel good.
Mike Tyson, the like and subscribe button.
So in the last 24 hours, you can see that KRC inscriptions brought in about 850 Kas fee generated. K Social had 2,800 transactions, just 0.058 Kaspa. Kasplex L2, almost 12,000 transactions, 2.4 Kaspa. So you can take a look. I like K Social. You know, obviously right here, JTM or JT McGibbon is trying to get 2 non-Caspians, dev engineers, to sign up, send them 0.5 transactions of Kaspa, give them 2 Kaspa, give them a few UTXOs. But if it's just a little degen Kaspa eco chamber, it won't grow out of that. Who knows how far it'll grow? It's still cool. I like it. You can see the last hour, 112 transactions. Seen that up to 900. But when you go back to the fees, just in theoretical scenario, how many K Social transactions would it take to replace the daily fees today? I think there's about 3 million Kaspa in block rewards, and then that's just dwindling pretty fast. With the rapid admission schedule, I think it would take 142 billion now. 142 billion transactions with the current 0.06 almost Kaspa generated with almost 2,800 transactions. That's the calculations I got. I don't even think Kaspa could do that, and I'm not saying that K Social is going to get to that. It's just an experiment of looking at how many K Social transactions would you need. It doesn't need to do $3 million worth of Kaspa and fees, but that's what the mining pretty much, there's not much fees right now, so it's all block rewards, and that's dwindling quickly. You can see really the biggest is KRC20 inscriptions, and when you look back to when KRC20 inscriptions were hot, and that's the one thing, as much, people, I know Shia gives lots of shit to Kasplex, but this section here, you can go back and see that there was days where there was 1 million Kaspa. You had the big mints and like the KDAO mint and some big mints like that where there's 24 million Kaspa in fees generated, which blows the mining rewards out of the water. But there are still other days where there was millions, 100,000s, millions of Kaspa in fees, a couple million, 4 million. So really, so far, the only thing that's really bought some heavy, and it was, a short period of time. You really had from the September to January. So you had like a 3-month period where it was really, the KRC 20s were going pretty good. I think that just shows that, you had the inscriptions and things like that really drove the fee market. That's what you're going to need to come back on some form. Now, maybe VPROGs and all that, I don't know how that's going to play out. It's going to take time for develop. And Kaspa has some time, 3 years, and the fee market has time. But it's just interesting to do some thought experiments and say, okay, here's K Social. Obviously, it's 5 or 600 early adopters in the Kaspa degen ecosystem are playing around with it, and it's cool, it's fun, and if you can run your own node and indexer, then it's completely decentralized on the chain, supporting the miners. But it's going to need to get to lots of transactions to start, and it doesn't have to be the only thing that replaces the fee market, but it's interesting to see those thought experiments. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.